Well, the first time that I saw her, standing in the middle of the road, eyes as bright as Christmas lights, wearing someone else's clothes. I did my best to ignore her, but ignoring my best pretty soon. We spent the night all tangled tight in an armchair in my friend's front room. I said, darling, you know I can't stay, 'cause I've given my heart and my word to a girl far away. I felt weak as she kissed my cheek and sighed when I heard her say, never knew I could get my heart broken in less than a day. Oh, and the next time that I saw her must have been a year or more. Face stained with mascara, shivering outside my door. I did my best to assure her, but assurance isn't easy to give. If you've never been sure of anything much, then get less so the longer you live. She said, darling, you know I can't stay, 'cause I give my heart and my word to a boy far away. I spoke soft and pretended to cough, like I didn't care either way. Never knew I could get my heart broken in so many ways.